What's up guys, Aesthetic Crypto back again with another YouTube vlog. This vlog is in the series Lite Airdrop Farming. That's 3, that's 2, that's 1. We are on number 4 and I'll just jump straight into LayerZero. So earlier in this series I've done Stargate, I've also done Aptos Bridge. I'm now going to look into Portal. Portal is a gaming token and has a gaming ecosystem with a whole lot of games where you can stake the Portal coin, I guess that's the ecosystem coin, and be in partnerships with their games, play other games, get prizes and rewards through other ecosystems. Pretty cool if you're super into gaming. I just wanted to show this page here. As you can quickly see, it says LayerZero right there. So the web page for Portal has LayerZero. The web page for LayerZero has Portal. That shows clear affiliation. And over the past 6 months, their team ran with their Twitter, and if you basically helped them market, liked and retweet and did your own tweets, you were allowed a specific allocation of the Portal coin. That's why you see a set amount here in the middle right at 47, and also a set amount down at the bottom. So it vests over time, so you could pull out whenever your claim's vested. It's worth about 70 something cents right now, so that was a small piece that I took out, but just another thing that uses LayerZero ecosystem. Pretty cool that's going to help me get the airdrop. Moving over to Blast now, if you see this post, this was made a day after I made the last vlog that they're going to push their airdrop date a month. I think it was going to happen the end of this month, but now it looks like it's moving to June 26th. Pac-Man is already looking to like appease the farmers by making the airdrop bigger, so I'm pretty sure it wasn't intentional. Things happen. I'm now moving over to Blast to show you the homepage here. They have this last multiplier Gamify that made it go from 12x to 14x. I'm nowhere near some of the screenshots I've seen in regards to gold and Blast, but I'm just going to keep using some of these apps that I find cool, clicking it here and there. I've seen screenshots where people have 100k worth of gold or 1 billion points, so I'm just going to look to keep putting each token and NFT that I find in the jackpot in hopes of getting more points and more gold to see what the value of that will be worth once this airdrop is done. It's been a pretty interesting ride because I actually do kind of check some of these apps, especially like trading apps or Gamify. I had to pull myself away from that even though I was gambling with a few dollars. So anxious to see what's going to happen in the next month that I thought was going to end in the next week, but maybe that'll yield for more money in everybody's pockets. That's all I had to say. Thanks for watching. This is future David now doing a post because I wanted to also bring up the full moon. I'm front running the full moon right now and purchasing majors. This video was recorded, as you can see, bottom right, early morning, but I can tell you right now the prices have already pumped, so it was a great buy. If you are a trader and you don't have a strategy yet, follow the full moons. At least as of 2023 and 2024, they have worked. They don't always work, but you will be in profit if you buy on the full moon or front run it and sell about a week or 2 later. That's all I have to say. Something, a little extra tip if you stay at the end. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Peace.